I'm Brian Wink, Vice President of Solutions Architects here at Panzura, and with me today I've got our co-founder and CTO, Taylor, John Taylor, but goes by Taylor. So thanks for being with us today, Taylor.
Thank you, Brian. Thank you. Good to be here.
Yeah, thank you. So one of the things I'd like to kind of pick your brain about and see, where your head is as you've designed our products and built the products, is this concept of, I go to companies and they're enormous. So they have offices in multiple regions, multiple cities, multiple continents even, and they're still trying to function as one company. And in that, a lot of that goes down to data sharing and collaboration between one person or group and the next, and potentially applications as well. And traditionally, that's been handled by copying the data from one site to the next, or just making it slow for everyone. But some of the challenges when the copy method is employed is about data consistency and how do I know I have the right version? What if you did a change and I didn't pick up your change and we step on one another? Can you talk about really anything that Panzura has done to mitigate that and help my customers out?
Absolutely. I mean, we solved that. So basically, before you had Snap Mirror, you had DFSR to replicate your data, but then you had multiple copies. And it became, you needed twice the storage, you had twice the management headache, twice the cost. And so we basically, design our product from the ground up to eliminate that. So basically, we always erred on the side of single source of truth. Exactly, there's one file in one location that is the most recent file. There's no version, so other than like snapshotted versions, but there's no need ever to worry about having multiple copies that you'd need to resolve. There's no conflict, nothing like that. So if something would happen where, one of your offices becomes offline, still when they come back online, there still will be a single one source of truth for every file in their entire global file system. There's no need to worry about resolving conflicts. I mean, today the world where one company lives in one building or one office complex is gone. Now all companies are actually global. They're everywhere. They're not only across the country, they're across the globe, everywhere. And sharing data is a problem for these companies. So we've built our product to basically to exist either on-prem or in the cloud, but still appear to be a single filer, a single NetApp filer, or a single Windows server, and provide that same functionality. So any user in any part of the world can access the same file with the same performance and not have to worry about colliding with another user. So that's really the foundation of the product.
So you're saying metaphorically, from a data perspective, you're allowing users to work as if we're all in the same room?
Absolutely, that's what it feels like, yeah.
So this sounds really cool and very different than what a lot of our customers have been doing before. From a workflow or other desktop tools or training perspective, I would assume there's lots of changes that they would need to make in order to use this technology. What's your thoughts there?
No changes whatsoever. No change to workflow. That's always been a key ingredient in everything we design. We want to make sure the user never has to change the workflow. They don't have to change their interfaces. The way they access their data remains the same. No differences.
So I could go home on a Monday and start work on a Tuesday, noticing no difference as a user other than receiving the benefits of performance and scale across it?
Yes, absolutely.
Wow,
yes.
That truly is the power of one.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Taylor.
Thank you, Brian.